Dan Jones, outside half.
Ioan Nicholas, centre, full back.
Dan, win. Sausage.
Ioan, Gareth Davies.
Oh, Jared. Back my backs.
Tommy Rogers.
Sanj, Neil Williams, Gar Davis, Tig, and Steph Evans, and Didier van der Meulen. You want more? Or could be.
Stephen Jones.
Thinking outside the box.
Greenfield.